PIR motion sensor turns regular lights into smart sensor lights. Time delay adjustment. Adjust the time the light stays on after you leave the detection area, from 10 seconds to 4 minutes. LUX light sensitivity adjustment. Sun detects motion both day and night. Moon only detects motion when it's dark. We also offer factory custom cable lengths from 3 feet to 15 feet, or even longer, to fit your exact setup. Custom NEMA 5 to 15 plug and receptacle set. Option 1, use the 3M pads to mount it on walls, ceilings, wherever you want. Option 2, attach the 3M pad to the January 4th, 20 mounting base. Hook it up to a magic arm for ultimate flexibility. Now you can rig it up almost anywhere. DIY your way. Our modular system lets you mix and match parts. Fit the sensor into even the trickiest spots easily. Zero complex wiring, no diagrams needed. Save the cost of a professional electrician. Enjoy a hassle-free upgrade with our plug-and-play design. Connect the light fixture to the motion sensor. Power up the motion sensor. When the PIR motion sensor detects movement, the light turns on automatically. It then turns off after the preset time once there's no more motion. IP44 Waterproof and outdoor ready, built to withstand rain and splashing water. Perfect for outdoor applications like